Hello guys, welcome to Angular series. In this series I will make full tutorial of Angular frameworks. If you wanna learn Angular from zero to hero, you are in the right place. If you are new here, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Are you ready to learn Angular? Let's get started. What is Angular? Angular is a framework of JavaScript. With this framework you can build single web applications and it's open source. What do we need to install before learning Angular? We need to install an editor, Visual Studio Code or any editor of your choice, and the second one is you need to install Node.js. And what do we need to know before learning Angular? We should know some HTML and we should know some JavaScript and TypeScript. If you know these three things, you are ready to start learning Angular. Okay. How to install Visual Studio Code I will show you. Just type Visual Studio Code. Okay, and this is the official website where you can download and install Visual Studio Code. Just click on that and here you can download. Okay, and how to install Node.js, just type Node.js. And this is also the official website where you can download and install Node.js. There are two versions, current version and latest version. Once you installed Node.js and JavaScript and Visual Studio Code, you can start learning Angular. I already downloaded and installed Node.js and Visual Studio Code. So now I will show you how to install Angular CLI by using npm install -g. You have to install Angular CLI before start creating project. Okay, and add Angular/CLI. Just enter npm install Angular CLI. Okay, once you finished you can choose your directory where you wanna create your first Angular project. I am going to choose my desktop. Okay, and how to create Angular project by using this command ng new, the name of the project, ng new name of the project. And let's create first Angular project, ng new and first project. Enter. Would you like to add routing? Yes. The type of your style is CSS and just enter, and we have to wait. It's creating first Angular project. Yeah, the creating project is successfully done, and now we have to open our project. I created on my desktop first project, this one. Just open. Okay, and okay, I have to, yes, I trust this is my first Angular project. Just open the folder source, and how to run Angular project. How to run Angular project. I'm going to write here running Angular project by using this command ng serve. Yeah, by using this command you can run your Angular project. Create new terminal and ng serve, enter. Yeah, the run is successful. Let's open, and here you can copy the URL http localhost 4200. Just type on your browser here, for example, localhost 4200. This is my first Angular project, and how to edit our Angular project I will show you. It's very easy and simple. Just app component.html, open this and control select all and delete everything. Type hello world, welcome to Angular framework, and save. And let's see, as you can see, hello world, welcome to Angular framework. Congratulations, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.